nothing you can do well. So, quit the game. You know what? You are really going to regret that one.
Your parents will hear about this. You should know. No eating food in the hall. Your parents will hear about this. No eating food in the hall. Eating food in the hall. You should know that.
What's this?
Idiot! You really thought we could actually beat this? No.
Oh, hi. Oh, hi.